Outpost, this is Viper. Enemy forces have been stopped. Break. Friendlies are continuing on to extract point. Break. We're receiving small arms and indirect fire from hostile troops. Break.
Command post, do you read me?
Shut it down. They're highly trained men 8 kilometers inside a country we are not supposed to be in. I'm sure they'll get out just fine. Shut it down now.
Okay, wrap it up. Let's go.
Back it up.
Intelligence said they didn't have air support! Call it in! Shit! The channel's down! That's impossible! The comm link's dead! They left us here! Don't worry, we're getting home!